Today I'm going to show you a trick where you write dark and your website goes dark mode. It's not hard. I'm starting with some HTML, adding some styles there, and a class for dark mode. I'm just setting the background to black and the color to white. And now I'm going to add a script. In the script I paste this, and now I have the div where I'm going to visualize the keys. I'm going to add event listener to the document for a key down. Every key I push it to the keys string, and now I'm going to just set the HTML to the keys. Now here we are doing, we only keep the last 4 letters by slicing the string. So if you type more, it trims and only remembers dark. And now we are going to come here and compare the string. The string is the secret dark. We are going to toggle the dark mode, and now let's try. I am typing dark. Boom. Wow,